Through the lecture, I have developed a deeper understanding of social materiality. Social materiality examines how materials and objects make from them influence and reflect social, cultural, and economic values. It focuses on how materials interact with society, shaping and being shaped by social behaviors, cultural stories, and technological advancements. Now, let's look at two materials. Coir is a fiber from the coconut shell, used in ropes and mats. Similarly, coconut shell, from mature coconuts, contains cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin. Similar to wood, Louis L. created a biodegradable bioplastic from coconut shells by partially removing lignin and hot pressing the fragments. Traditionally, coir has been used in ropes, broom fibers, fishing nets, bags, and mats. Additionally, coconut shells have been used in musical instruments, like the Chinese Yehu and Vietnamese dangao. In Hainan, China, coconut shell carving dates back to 847 AD, featuring traditional patterns, geometric shapes, and cultural stories. Coir is a renewable, biodegradable fiber that reduces reliance on synthetic materials and lowers environmental impact. It is durable, rot-resistant, and blends well with soil for erosion control. Meanwhile, coconut shells generate 6 million tons of waste annually. Using them for the products, like activated carbon reduces waste and captures CO2, thereby lowering greenhouse gas emissions and improving soil health. In Task 1, I designed 10 product models and chose a standing lamp using polished coconut shells and coconut fibers. However, the shells were too hard and brittle, causing the design to fail. Consequently, I revised my plan to create a handbag using the remaining coconut shells and fibers. For the bounding process, I spread coconut fiber on a tray, pour a heated mixture of water and gelatin onto it, and let it cool, creating a slightly harder, bendable, and durable material. Next, I tested thickness and durability by making 2 slices with different thicknesses and soaking them in water for 24 hours. The thinner slice showed fiber separation, while the thicker slice remained unchanged. To create optimal fabric, I experimented with different amounts of fibers and selected the back section for sewing. The result was moderately soft, stable, and durable. However, cutting coconut shells was challenging. I shaped old and young coconut shells into rings and rectangular pieces, then drilled holes in them. Finally, I sewed the coconut shells and fibers together to create handles and fabric of the bag. This differed from my original design as the coconut fiber and gelatin material couldn't bend and fold like traditional fabric. This handbag is designed for eco-conscious consumers, cultural enthusiasts, and ethical shoppers who value sustainability, traditional craftsmanship, and fair trade practices. Focusing on regions like Indonesia, the Philippines, and southern China, Hainan province, where there is a rich tradition of using coconut materials. Locally produced handbags support traditional craftsmanship, promote sustainability, and boost local economies by creating jobs for artisans and small businesses. In this project, I explore social materiality, focusing on coir and coconut shells. Despite challenges, I adapted my design to create a sustainable handbag, supporting local economies. Thank you for listening.